Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an important and rapidly growing technology in modern IT infrastructure, that is intelligent cooling racks. As data centers, server room and IT infrastructure continue to grow, equipment is becoming more powerful and more densely installed. More servers, storage systems, switches and network device means one thing, that is more heat. And when heat is not properly managed, it can affect equipment performance, reliability, and even the overall availability of the critical IT services. So the question is, how can we cool IT equipment more efficiently, intelligently, and reliably? The answer is we can do it through intelligent cooling racks. So today we will discuss more about the intelligent cooling racks, which is used basically in the data center. So let's first understand the problem. Okay, so why intelligent cooling racks are becoming essential? Every server, storage system, and networking device generates heat while operating. In a traditional server room, cooling is often provided by entire room using air conditioned systems. But this approach may not always be efficient. For example, the cooling system may cool the entire room even when only a few racks are heavily loaded. At the same time, certain areas inside a rack may develop hotspots. So this means the room may appear to have comfortable temperature while critical equipment installed inside a rack may still be operating under excessive thermal stress. This is when an intelligent cooling rack becomes important. An intelligent cooling rack combines the IT rack with advanced cooling, environment monitoring, intelligent power management and control system. So instead of simply cooling the entire room, the system can provide more targeted cooling where it is actually required. The rack can monitor important parameters such as temperature, humidity, airflow, power consumption, rack condition and cooling performance. And in advanced system, the rack can also generate alerts when the temperature or environmental condition exceeds predefined limits. So for example, when we get the message that okay, the rack is overheated, or suppose for example the temperature is increased, then the system will generate the alerts to the admin that this is the condition of your rack. So an intelligent cooling rack is not simply a cabinet with fans. It is complete infrastructure solution designed to cool, monitor and protect critical IT equipment. So we'll go to the next slide. Why is this intelligent cooling required? So why there is a growing requirement of intelligent cooling rack? Now let's understand why the requirement of intelligent cooling rack is increasing. Because the first reason is increasing IT density, more number of IT equipments. Modern servers and networking equipments are becoming more powerful. Today, a single rack can contain a large number of high performance server, storage system and networking devices. More equipment in the same physical space means a higher concentration of heat. The second reason is higher power consumption. So high power computing, virtualization, artificial intelligence, data analytics and modern storage system requires significant power processing. So higher power consumption directly results to higher heat generation. When the system takes high power consumption, that means it is generating more heat. The third is the risk of hotspots. If heat is not removed properly, certain area of the rack can become significantly hotter than others. This can result in reduced equipment performance, thermal throttling, unexpected equipment shutdown, reduced hardware life, also increased maintenance requirement. And in critical environment, even a small temperature problem can affect the business continuity. So if small issue happens and your system is shut down, entire your business will come to the task. So this is why intelligent cooling rack is becoming a necessary rather than simply an additional feature. The system continuously monitors the environmental condition and helps identify problems before they become major failure. So before the equipment gets failed, it will generate the alert about the rack, and admin can take the proper precaution before the system gets failed. So in simple words, traditional cooling reacts to the room, intelligent cooling responds to the equipment. This is the major difference. So now we'll go to the slide 3. So in slide 3, we'll talk more about the key benefits of intelligent cooling racks. Now let's look at the major benefits. Benefit number 1, energy efficiency. An intelligent cooling rack can provide targeted and controlled cooling instead of unnecessary cooling every area of a facility. Cooling can be optimized according to the actual requirement. This can help reduce energy wastage and improve overall operational efficiency. For large data center and IT facilities, even a small improvement in cooling efficiency can result in significant long-term savings. Benefit number 2, improved equipment reliability. IT equipment performs best when operates with the recommended temperature range. By maintaining a more stable environment, intelligent cooling helps protect server, storage system, and networking equipment with excessive heat. This can contribute to improved reliability and longer equipment life. Benefit number 3, real-time monitoring and alerts. One of the most important features of the intelligent cooling rack is monitoring. The system can continuously monitor parameters such as temperature, humidity, airflow, power, cooling performance, and many more. If the temperature rises beyond the configured limit, the system can generate an alert. This gives an IT or facility team an opportunity to take action before the problem affects critical equipments. So benefit number 4, better uptime and business continuity. For organizations such as data center, bank, government department, hospital, and large enterprises, IT uptime is extremely important because this all is critical infrastructure. A cooling failure can potentially result in equipment failure and service disruption. Intelligent cooling provides better visibility, and early warning helps organizations reduce the risk of unexpected downtime. So benefit number 5 is scalability and future readiness. IT infrastructure is continuously growing, and a company may start with a small number of servers today, but in long term its requirement may increase significantly in the future. So intelligent cooling racks provides a more structured and scalable approach to infrastructure growth. They are particularly used for, when I say they, means intelligent cooling racks. Intelligent cooling racks can be used for data centers, server rooms, edge computing environment, high density computing, network operation center, that is called as NOC, telecom infrastructure, AI and GPU based computing environment. So the final conclusion, if you summarize, an IT infrastructure become more powerful and more densely packed, heat management is becoming a critical requirement. So wherever IT infrastructure become more powerful, the heat will get generated, and that's the place where intelligent cooling rack is required. So traditional room cooling may not always provide the precision, visibility, and efficiency required by modern IT environments. An intelligent cooling rack provides a smarter approach by combining cooling, monitoring, power management, and infrastructure protection. So the result is better control we'll have on temperature, improved equipment reliability, reduced energy wastage, early detection of problems, and ultimately better uptime and better business continuity. So if we get better uptime, then our business is better, right? And if there is more downtime, that means we will lose the business. So the future of IT infrastructure is not just about installing more servers. It is about managing the entire infrastructure intelligently. And intelligent cooling is becoming an important part of that future. If you get any opportunity where you see that more number of servers are there in the rack and the equipment is generating more heat, and you can suggest intelligent cooling rack to the IT department. So hope this video will be helpful to you, and thank you very much. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. I'll be sharing similar videos, and similar videos means it will be related to IT infrastructure. It will be helpful to you. Thank you very much for your time.